Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the home menu and navigating to settings. This puts controls at your fingertips. Use display and sound because Sony groups audio controls there. Once done, select audio output or advanced audio settings to see available formats and outputs. Make sure your HDMI ARC or optical cable is connected and powered so options appear. You need a clear output target to change movie audio. This step determines whether you'll switch digital bitstream, PCM, or an external receiver, so don't skip it. Now you choose the audio format and which physical output sends sound. You'll see auto, PCM, and bitstream. Pick PCM for simple stereo or bitstream if feeding a Dolby or DTS receiver. Auto lets the TV negotiate. If using a soundbar, enable HDMI ARC or eARC so the TV and device exchange formats. Make sure the selected format matches your speaker system's capabilities. Otherwise, audio may drop or be downmixed. Once set, test with a movie clip to confirm proper decoding and channel mapping. Complete the change by playing a movie and confirming channels, volume, and effects. If sound is absent or wrong, first toggle HDMI ARC or eARC off and on, then power cycle the TV and external device. This re-establishes the handshake. Make sure the receiver is set to the correct input and accepts bitstream if chosen. If dialogue lags, adjust audio delay or lip sync in the same menu. These final checks ensure consistent playback and fix the most common connectivity or format mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.